Welcome guys to this YouTube video. This is Automation Gizmo channel. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. So in this video we'll be looking at how to set your IP address, your subnet, and for your router information for your PLC devices. Hopefully it's going to be a short video, so let's dive in. So also first thing you do, you create your PLC device, and you go to device configuration. It opens up the hardware configuration of your PLC device, and then you want to click on this Ethernet port here, and then when you get here, it shows the subnet. So subnet are like they are groups or devices. So for example, you have 5 devices, and where do you want to put those devices on? They want to put them on one subnet such that those 5 devices are in the same IP range of device of the network. So for example, we want to create a new subnet. You can just click add new subnet, and it gives you the name of the subnet. So you can call this subnet. So this is the first name subnet here, PNI1, and then you could give it an IP. So by default, Siemens give IP addresses to a PLC project, and default is 192.168.0.1. so if your IP address in this facility, which is usually generated by the IT admin department, so you could just give it an IP, say 10.207.207.140, and then the subnet max is what subnet do you want this IP class to work with. So by default also Siemens gives 255.255.255, so but you can also decide to give it 255.255.240. so the subnet means that devices in this subnet will be able to talk together on the basic level, on the TCP communication IP basic level. And then the last thing we want to check is router. So router are the another name from router is gateway. So do you want your device to be accessible to the internet or not? So if it's just a local installation, a local project, local system, local control system installation, you really do not need the gateway. But if it's a network of devices where you want your PLC systems or control systems to be accessible to the internet, then you will have to put a gateway. So in this case, you just put the gateway, which should be still in the same IP range of your address. So you can say 10.250.207.138. So now this means that when this PLC device have an internet connection, it will be accessible to the internet. So another thing is, if you scroll down, Profinet device name is set directly at the device. That's if you want to set the Profinet at device, or you want to generate the Profinet device name automatically. So here it's generated it automatically. So for this PLC device, this is the Profinet name. This will be useful when you want to do some communication. Now another thing you might want to check is time of day synchronization, which is not really important in operating mode. This is for communication. And in advanced options, here you have your interface, you have your port settings, lot of, and then you have web access. So web access, if you enable web access, is just Siemens web platform that's created for the PLC systems. Another tutorial will look into that. So, but basically, this is how you just set up IP addresses for your new automation project. Thanks for watching, guys.